This is my third salute video. My third salute video is all about Nikki the 20th Century Fox and Hot Wheels fan 2007. If everyone hate this user, I just respect your opinion. Here we go, let's start it. Nikki the 20th Century Fox and Hot Wheels fan 2007. Wow, more like the coolest user. This user is rocks. He make a cool effect and make rage video and make a funny plotagon videos out of nothing to watch. And do you know who likes this user? Me, Cool Kenzie, 20th Century Alfred DS, and Baba the Metal Fan 2013, Aubrey the Colby Kailet, and the Kane Brown fan, and other various users. And do you know who hates this user? OS Jacob 2007 Shinary Express. Also he is a troublemaker who grounds him, but that's the end of salute. Comment down below if you want another salute video. Goodbye for now.